Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. So let's get started. The first one, what you need to do is just go over here in the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to Face ID and passcode. Give the respective passcode over here. And now from here, you have to scroll down and you have to navigate to stolen device protection. You have to tap on this one. And from here, you have to turn this off. Now you have to turn this off. And now it is asking for the Face ID. So you have to give the Face ID and you have to go for Start Security Delay, which means you have to wait for 1 hour. So what you need to do is just wait for 1 hour. After the 1 hour is done, just go back to the settings once again. And you have to scroll down once again to the Face ID and passcode. Give the respective passcode over here. And you have to scroll down back once again over here to Stolen Device Protection. And you have to turn this off. This is the most way how it is going to work. But for some users, what happens is the Face ID will not be getting recognized, so they'll not be able to turn this off. If that is the case, what you need to do is you just need to connect your iPhone to either to the PC or to the Mac and take a complete backup to the iCloud. Because the only way to fix this particular issue is all about you have to do a complete erase all data on your iPhone. That is the only way. So when you do the erase all data on the iPhone, you'll be losing all the data as well as the Face ID, and everything will be set off to a new one. It will be completely remote and you'll find with that. So this is what you have to do when it comes to how to turn off the stolen device protection on your iPhone. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.